Good morning. Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Joyasri Roy, Assistant Professor in Geography, Vidyasagar Teachers Training College, Midnapur, Paschim Medinipur, West Bengal. Today I am going to present some MCQ question of the research methodology, which are very useful for your NET and competitive exam. Number 1. Published information in a particular subject area discussion in result is literature review. Number 2, there are how many basic elements of a literature review? There are 3 basic elements in literature review. Which one is not element of a literature review? Headings. But introduction, body, conclusion, recommendation, that's are all the element of the literature review. Number 4, summarize and synthesize as the characteristics of summarize and synthesize are the characteristics of the literature review. Number 5, who should write a literature review? Scholar. Number 6, sources of literature review are all except discussions. Books, journals, articles, magazines, all are the sources of the literature review except discussions. Which are the characteristics of the poor LR? Narrow and shallow. Which one of the characteristics of poor LR? Narrow and shallow. A good LR, the critical evaluation. Which is the good LR? That is literature review, and that is critical evaluation. The purpose of the literature review are all discovering, synthesizing, identifying, and establishing, except copy pasting. Okay. LR is written after the introduction or before the introduction? After the introduction of the thesis. The method that consists of collection of data through observation and experimentation, formulation and testing of hypotheses is called which method? Scientific method. Which method? Scientific method. All research process start with which? Observation. All research process start with observation. A research is a systematic and scientific inquiry. A research is a systematic and scientific inquiry. Okay. Which one of the following or not following is or are not the characteristics of research? At first, the characteristics of research are systematic, logical, empirical, replicable. But non-systematic are not the characteristics of research. But systematic, logical, empirical, and replicable, all of the characteristics of research. The purpose of the research is, what are the purpose? Number 1, review or synthesize existing knowledge. Number 1. Number 2, investigate existing situation or problems. Number 3, provide solution to problems. Number 4, explain new phenomena. 4. Review or synthesize existing knowledge. Investigate existing situation of problem. Provide solution to problems. Explain new problem. On the basis of objective point of view, how many types of research? There are 4 types of research. Applied research is a type of research on the basis of application. All of the following are the types of research on the basis of objective, which are exploratory, descriptive, correlation research, and explanatory research, except applied research. On the basis of information sought, there are two types of research, which are on the basis of information sought, there are two types of research, which are qualitative research and quantitative research. Qualitative research and quantitative research. Which of the first step of the designing a questionnaire? Identify the goal of questionnaire. Okay. First step of the designing the questionnaire is the identify the goal of questionnaire. By writing a questionnaire, you should avoid which thing? Ask more than one question at a time. Ask more than one question at a time. Advantage of questionnaire are, which are the advantage of the questionnaire? Inexpensive, a practical way to gather data, it's quick and easy to collect results, allow you to gather information from a large audience. A systematic study directed toward gather knowledge to understanding of the fundamental aspects of phenomena is called what is basic research. Which research refer to scientific study and research that seeks to solve practical problems. Applied research. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Okay.